are back at the offices of Demesmin in Dover for ISF today. Always fun being here, and today we're talking all things workers' compensation. So let's dive right into it, you guys. Let's talk Simon and Ebony. What are the basics of workers' compensation?
Well, one of the most important basics is you've got to report that accident within 30 days to your employer, preferably in writing.
Workers' compensation also covers your loss of wages and covers 100% of your medical expenses. They will also select the doctors for you.
And Simon, tell us a little bit, what are employment claims?
So employment claims, that's a wonderful question. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to transition from workers' compensation to employment claims by mentioning a law that we have here in Florida called 440.205. That's a law that prohibits retaliatory action from your employer if you happen to file a workers' compensation claim. In fact, it even prohibits even threatening to fire your employee. So that is a classic employment claim, state employment claim that is actually within the workers' compensation law. There's other employment claims as well, not just in Florida statutory law, but also in federal law as well. A great claim also that we have in federal law is the Fair Standard Labor Act. And that Labor Act that goes all the way back to 1938 allows you to make claims if you're not being paid your overtime wages. So if you're working more than 40 hours and they got to pay your overtime wages and they're not paying them, you have a potential claim under the FSLA.
And how exactly should you handle these employment claims?
So the way that you should handle them is you should see an attorney so he can go over the whole totality of the situation. You come to the attorney, you explain your story, we'll hear you very sympathetically, and we'll be able to dissect and determine which possible claims, either federal claims or Florida claims, that may be applicable to you in your situation.
And Simon, when you are in this situation, how can an attorney actually help you if you are dealing with workers' comp or anything of the such?
Well, the way that he helps you is that he will be able to proceed forward and file a claim on your behalf, either a workers' compensation claim here in Florida, or make also an EEOC claim in the case of a discrimination Title VII, or proceed forward if there's a violation of the overtime claim. He will fight zealously on your behalf and go forward on any claims that you may have. And if you need to contact us, I have here my colleague who can assist you in contacting us at your convenience so we can get started on your claims.
And of course, whoever you can call is someone here at Demesmin in Dover.
Correct.
So where can we go for more information?
Honestly, the best way to get in contact with our office or any attorneys that's here is by calling our office at 866-954-6673. You can also reach out to us through our many platforms, whether that's Instagram, Facebook. We are more so active, I would say, Instagram. We post a lot through there, so any message that is sent, we'll be sure to reach back out immediately.
Well, thank you both for all the great information today and, of course, being our trusted legal advisor.
Thank you.
It's our pleasure. Thank you.